As you already know, we are doing percentage change 1 and this is third class on the topic percentage change 1. In the previous class, I asked you to find 115% of 20 that we learned how to find. Now we will proceed from here. Next question is, a scarf costs $20 at a shop. The shop is having a 35% off sale. How much does the scarf cost with the discount? Original cost is $20, but a discount of 35% is given on this cost price. So let us try to find out what is the price after discount. Step 1 is find 35% of $20. 10% is $2. 30% is $6. 10 times 3 is 30. 2 times 3 is 6. And then 5% is $1 because 10% is $2. So 5% is $1. So 35% is 6 plus 1, $7. Step 2, subtract this from the original price. So 20% is the original price. You have to subtract the discounted amount, that is $7. So you get $13. I hope that makes sense to you. What percent of the original value you have got now? So let us check. We started with 100% 20. We took away 35% 7. We are left with 65%. That is $13. Why 65%? 100 minus 35 is 65. 20 minus 7 is 30. What is 65% as a decimal? 65%, now you can check on this as a decimal how to denote. 65% is 0.65. I will just show you on my whiteboard. 65% as decimal, you have to write 65%. As you know, 65% stands for 65 by 100. Now, when you change this fraction into decimal, you have to write 65 here and decimal is here. So it has to be moved to the number of zeros in the denominator, that is 2. So move it to the 2 places to the left. That means you are getting your decimal here now, and this is 0. So 65% as decimal is 0.65. Now, how could we work out 65% of $20 on a calculator quickly? So 65% is 0.65. 65% is 0.65. So multiplier is 0.65, and to decrease an amount by 35%, we multiply by 0.65. So 0.65 times, here we are decreasing $20 by 35%. So the amount that comes directly on your calculator is 20 times 0.65, that is $13. Now here again you have a practice at working out the multipliers needed for different percentage increase and decrease. Let us select increase here. An amount by what percent? Amount by say 3%. The multiplier is how much? If you have to increase an amount by 3%, you have to add 3. So multiplier is 1.03. again decrease an amount, any amount, by 10%. Suppose you have to decrease an amount by say 10%. So multiplier is, what should be the multiplier? 0.9. Multiplier, because you have to subtract 10 from 100, so 90, and multiplier would be 0.9. Let us try one more. Increase an amount by what percent? Say 20%. Now 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 by 100 is 1.2. So multiplier is 1.2. This is what you got here, 1.2. Now again reset, and this time I am going to increase an amount by 60%. So what should be the multiplier? Can you think of it? Multiplier should be 100 plus 60, that is 160 by 100, that is 1.6. 1.6. You got 1.6? Let us take a look at some decreasing values, like decrease by say 15%. So 100 minus 15 is how much? 85. 85 by 100 is 0.85. So multiplier should be 0.85. That is your answer. I hope the explanation was clear. That is all for this video. Now see you in the next video.